So guys, we've been off for a little while. No videos for a while because it rained so much that it was mud hole down in here where they've dug this road up. Everywhere it just made big mud holes. They're still trying to dry some of it, but the weather has went my way a little bit this time. And you can see how tore up it is up here. And I got most of the crew back working. I got 5 of them, and they're doing a good job. I poured those 2 columns when I was not here the other day, and now they're mixing concrete on the floor that they poured the other day. See how the grass grew? The grass grew in here because it rained so much. So much rain. We're working inside now, getting these inside walls done, and then we'll pour the columns in there. Kamusta? Oh.
We work already last rainy day. You work another.
Okay.
So you need to work even rainy day.
You gotta work. You gotta work. When you gotta work, right? Takala.
She has 2 baby and her wife was pregnant.
What did he do? Get a job inside while it was raining?
Yeah, I don't know where he got job. She said that I can. Okay, I said.
Yeah, it's all right. Can't help it. Gotta feed the family, right? Yeah. Takala bendito. The grass is already grown.
Yeah.
You see that? The grass grew up.
Yeah.
On the sides and the back. Grass everywhere.
Some other month, this will be like what they call that, forest.
Yeah. They had to get out here with the grass cutters. Look at all the grass over there.
Yeah.
How much it's grown.
Like a forest.
Yeah. Over here, grass is really high already. They had to come in here with weed whackers.
Yeah.
The weed whackers. Ugh. Well, maybe we can get this dirt moved before the rain comes again. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow after they have formed this to all,
Yeah.
I will ask them to
Work
all,
all on the dirt.
yeah, all them.
It washed away a lot of it, didn't it? It rained hard, man. Guys, it rained really hard here. That's why I haven't done a video. That's what I was telling y'all early. And it was so muddy you couldn't even drive back in here.
Yeah.
So we had to take off for 1 week. They're back at it now, though. Maybe it'll stay dry for a few days. If it stays dry for a few days, we'll be all right. Who knows? Who knows, right? Who knows? Randall's, Danny boy there, he's getting way down in there and getting that dirt up. Laying some block. Staying busy. Maybe we'll get something done. What do you think? We're gonna get something done?
Yeah.
Okay. I believe you. We got enough sand and gravel
Yeah,
just for today?
that's enough for a week.
A week. Maybe we can. Yeah, we got another one at the store.
We have more
One more.
gravel, I know.
Yeah.
But we have no sand.
Well, we'll buy some. We have to buy some. It's okay. Gotta use it, right? Got to use it. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it right there for a little while. Maybe do a little time lapse. Let's see.